Good day everyone. So today we're going to tackle about the refraction of light. Refraction of light happens when light bends as it moves from one material to another, like from air to water. So this bending happens because light moves at different speeds in different materials. A simple example is when you put a pencil in a glass of water, it looks bent or broken. This is because the light changes direction when it moves from water to air, making the pencil look different. So, sa madaling salita po, kapag sinabing refraction is nag-iiba yung itsura or shape ng lapis kapag inilapat na ito sa tubig. Okay, so why is refraction important? Refraction is important in many things like eyeglasses that helps us see better, magnifying glasses that make things look bigger, and even rainbows that appear after the rain.